Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing. And what we're going to be unboxing is one of the boxes that was in this package that was delivered this morning. We had two boxes about that size. This one is going to be the first we're going to be doing, and it's Kickstarter. And what we're going to be looking at today is the dice and the pets from Nova Aetas. Okay, so here we are. We have two packs here to look at. We have dice and we have a box of minis. The minis are pets. We'll look at those in a moment, because let's have a look at the dice first. They're quite nice. These are the Nova Aetas dice pack. Specially designed dice for Nova Aetas. We have your standard six-sided dice, but the number one is a starburst. Let's see what they're like for rolling. They're quite nice, really. They feel good in the hand, the rounded corners. Quite pleasant to hold for dice. And then we have an eight-sided dice. In fact, quite a lot of eight-sided dice. In fact, we have 6 eight-sided dice. And again, the number one is a starburst. Can't for the life remember what these do, but for holding, these are a little big for holding in one hand, I think. You really need a two-handed roll to get the best out of these dice. But I can't for the life remember whether you need to roll them all at the same time, or whether you just end up rolling a couple at once. I'm going to have to get this game to the table a little bit more to find out. But yeah, they're the dice. They sound nice when they're rubbed together. Made of sturdy plastic. There doesn't seem to be any miscasts at all with the dice. On the D6s, the edges are nice and smooth. Seem to be all seem to be quite circular for the faces, and the colours very bright and they stand out. There doesn't seem to be any smudging or anything on them, so yeah, quite happy with those. So that's that part done, and now it's just a case of popping them back, and we can open up the pets, because this is the one I really want to have a look at in this video. Just want to do a small video first off. Save the biggest stuff till last. But here we are. Here's the pets. We have a wild boar, we have a bear, we have a dog, and we have something else. We'll find out what that is when we open it up. So let's do that, shall we? And I'm sorry about the sound quality on this video. My phone, which is what I usually use to record the sound on, is flat near enough, so I'm not able to use it because it's on charge, and I don't have a wire long enough to reach to where I'm actually recording the videos, so you're going to have to put up with the sound quality on the camera. So here we are. Better look at them without the light reflecting off the cellophane. In this, basically you get 4 pet cards and 4 miniatures. Let's have a look at what they are. Okay, opened it the wrong way around. There we are. That is the one. Don't know what it is. I really picked the wrong background colour. Let's see. Let's have a look. Let's see. So we have a sheet of paper here. hopefully it will tell me what each one is. So it gives you an introduction of it, how to use the expansion, tells you about them. It just gives the names, it doesn't actually give you let you know what they are on there anyway. You get the poster. Mordicchio is a small golem with a fiery sword. So that's what he is a golem. So that is what we have. Oh, it's a wolf, it's not a dog, it's a wolf. It's a wolf pup. There we are. So that's the what you call it? Oh heck, that's the instruction book sorted out. Let's see if we can get the cards out in one piece. That's better. Is it one of those that reseals? Yes, it is. That's always nice. Okay, so here we have Bruto, the bear, Eto, the boar, Mordicchio, the golem, and Brigante, the wolf cub. They are nice, aren't they? Nice illustrated cards. Really shows the personality of. I was going to remember what the Ujit was. I couldn't remember the fourth one. This fella. I couldn't remember what he was. But he's going to be interesting to paint once I get around to painting them. Here's the bear. I'll move that knife out of the way. There we are. And then we have the wolf cub. And finally we have the wild boar. Now there is a little bit, and I mean a little bit, of flashing on here, which won't take a second to clean up, once we can get at it, that is. I give up. I'll try and get at it with a file or something at one later on. But yes, there we are. That is the pets. So, hope you enjoyed this video. It's only a small one. I'll be doing some more over the coming days. That's all we have time for this one. And I'll just pop these in there and let you have a look at them, as I say, in closing, as I usually do. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.